Yes, I'm so excited because my final box from Coach has come in and I'm gonna show you an unboxing of 3 new bags. And then I'll probably have to do an update later to show you my actual thoughts and what fits inside, but let's do the unboxing. And as usual, I'm gonna have to go fast because you guessed it, we have a date night, so I have to get ready. I'll start with the biggest one first. You can kind of see the silhouette already. And this one is the Coach Swing Zip in Moonlight. Gosh, she's a beauty. Oh my gosh. So this is a re-edition bag from 2005, I believe. I'm gonna have to look that. But it's a limited edition. They came out in several colors. The blue one is still on the website and I really want that one. I figured that while I'm in this mode of wanting to try colors in bags and I'm not completely sold, like I have my typical like maroons, pinks, red, blue, but like these fun colors, I figured that I would definitely try them in a more affordable brand before venturing into some of the heavy priced luxury bags in different colors. But this is such a beauty. Oh my gosh. So it says the Swing Zip limited re-edition. Oh my gosh, this is actually re-edition from 1998. Can you make that out? I love that they put a tag on there so that you have the information right there as you carry the bag. Is she not the cute? Oh my gosh, this moonlight color, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because the whole butter yellow thing that hit the trend list, I just was not sure. But I actually am a fan of a buttery yellow like this instead of like a stark Crayola bright yellow, especially when I'm wearing it on my skin tone. Uh-oh. I'm supposed to be ready. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Even with brown, with like this chocolatey brown. It's like baking brownies. How cute. This is the glove tan leather. I don't know if any came out in patent leathers like some of the other re-edition. And it has this beautiful smooth leather interior. I just need 10 minutes. I love you, thank you. Okay, so she comes with a dust bag on the inside. And maybe now you can see the inside. And it gives a little additional story here where they usually have the normal Coach tag. It says it's a Coach bag crafted lab. So this actually says that the Swing Zip bag from 1998 was too good to leave in the archives. And it has a little picture. How cute. There's a card holder here and an actual full pocket here that is canvas lined. You know your girl loves a sale. I did not pay full price. The original price here is $395 USD. I actually paid $237 for this. The one that I want, the blue one as well, is the same price right now. So I'm really debating. I don't need it. I really love this and I want to see how she wears before I invest in another color, but I'm loving the color, the shape, especially with the East-West being very strong right now. But I love the shoulder drop on this. It's gonna be long enough that I can wear coats and stuff, so perfect for fall. Even though it's like a springtime color, these soft pastels just look better on me than actual fall colors. So I wear spring colors all year long. I just have to find ways to kind of incorporate them into my wardrobe. And if you love the pastels and just colors in general, I can kind of show, maybe I'll do a video where I kind of show how I do that. Of course, after we got home, I was too exhausted to film. So I wanted to show you in daylight what the bag looks like. This is the Swing Zip, and that is this beautiful butter yellow color. I think that angle kind of shows right there what the color looks like in real life. But isn't it so beautiful? I love that they're bringing back these classic silhouettes. You can remove the tag, the Coach tag, if you wanted absolutely no branding. And it's just so beautiful. It does have, let's see if you can see it. It has their classic Coach logo on the hardware, including the feet. If you can make that out. But it's very understated, beautiful though, and it can hold so much. This one out of all 3 holds the most. Keeping on trend with the colors, since that was the goal, to kind of experiment with color, let me show you the next one. She's smaller, so you know I'm gonna be in love. Wait till you see the color. I hope the camera picks up how soft and pretty she is. This is the Brook chain bag. Oh my gosh! And it's like a peach. I think the color was peach and brass. Now this is one of the newer designs. I don't have time to figure out how to take this off right now, but this is basically a shoulder strap bag that can convert into a crossbody bag, which love, 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 love anything convertible. And then you also have the chain that you can either use as a cute little addition to the bag or as a strap as well. Let's take this off so you can see. Now this one has the most beautiful kind of, maybe it's microfiber. I think it's microfiber interior. It's like this peanut butter color, a little bit darker, and it is just divine. So inside this one, there's 3 card holder slots here, and then the one large pocket here. So you know this one was on sale too. So the original price on this one is $250 USD, but I paid $150 USD. Magnetic closure. She's also a cute pastel that will look good in the fall. Look at it. Look at this color up against this brown. Oh, I'm so glad I wore this chocolate colored brown. So pretty, right? So cute. And I love that you can remove all the straps. It just, the convertible bag is just the best. Oh, and there's also a large pocket back here. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Love this. Okay, last but not least, I'm like making a total mess over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm like a stickler for how I store my bags. I just don't like them to be bent out of shape, scratched or scuffed. Of course, this is the color that I am most in love with out of all 3. This is just so me. This blush pink, this peachy pink. It is the perfect fall pink. Perfect. It's like a warm pink, not cool. And I think that the brass hardware really brings that out, this golden brass hardware. I haven't taken all of the packaging off just yet, but this is the double strap that you can unbutton and turn it into a crossbody. I'm definitely going to be putting some looks together. I'm going to do a video with some fall color palettes because I am just loving color this fall, and I got some new thrifted items that I'm excited to share. Okay, so the last one, I'll have to put these up better later. Okay, the last one. So I might actually wear this tonight. We're going to a Mavericks game, and this is the Penn shoulder bag, but it's crystal. Whoops. Okay, I thought this was like a shoulder bag that could convert to convertible, but it looks like it's just shoulder, which is fine because I wasn't gonna wear it crossbody anyway. Oh my gosh, and the drop on that one. I gotta wear this one tonight. The Penn shoulder bag with crystal, original, $295. Oh, but not me, my friend. Oh no. She was $177. $177. Let's check out the interior because this is perfect for like game days. I think it might be a little too big for stadium, but sometimes when I have bags that just barely make it, if I hold them in my hand without the strap being on my shoulder, they don't notice. They don't really make it a big deal. Just look like you know what you're doing. Just keep walking, smile. Oh, perfect. So this one has 3 card holders as well. 3 card holder slots. No other pocket though, just that. And what I really, really, really love about this is this lock situation. Once you zip it, especially like when you're in a stadium or like a crowded place, that's how it closes. And it's secure, like nobody's getting in there. I'll have to put this in the natural lighting tomorrow and get some clips of the actual sparkles. Am I wearing this today? I don't know. I think it'll take me too long to figure out my whole outfit. So maybe not. Maybe I have to wear this next time. But again, even the navy with this chocolate color. I love the drop length on this. It's almost like the swing zip, but it's so tiny and cute. And I love a small bag. It's very structured. Oh, did we see what the material was on the inside? I don't remember. Let's see. It's all leather. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, I need to get some better shots of this in the natural light tomorrow. And I did not have time to change my outfit to put this on for the game yesterday. And I'm glad because I really want to highlight the bag, so I would have taken way too long to figure that out. But look at that beautiful drop length. But I do really love this, and I'm excited to wear it for multiple occasions, evening wear, but especially for our sporting events because we have so many blue teams. So there are other colors available in this particular bag, and I think they're coming out with even more sparkles for the fall. So be on the lookout for those, but isn't she cute? She doesn't quite sparkle as much as my Loewe shoes that I showed you in the last video, but this iridescent shine and sparkle is so pretty. And then I'm sure depending on what kind of light you're in, you might get a different sparkle. Let me try in the sun, hold on. Oh, that's pretty. So in direct light, And in the sun, especially, you do get that glittery sparkle. I was completely out of the light, and there's no lights on in my office right now, so this is just in the sunlight, and the other angle was just completely in the shade. Look how pretty. All of these bags are actually available in fall colors. They have a beautiful kind of like sage green color. They have, you know, these deep like mahogany browns and burgundies. They have all the fall colors, but my challenge is that if these certain colors look good on me, then I need to incorporate them into my fall wardrobe. So this is a first for me to have these certain colors, but I'm really, really, really excited. I love how the colors look in person. I was shopping online. I did not see these in the store, so I was a little bit nervous about what they were going to look like in person, and maybe that they would be too springtimey, but I feel like there is a warm undertone in the two colorful bags, a warm undertone that could really transition into fall, especially if the main outfit is fall colors. So I feel like that's why it looks so good against this chocolatey brown, which makes me really excited to incorporate these and to possibly even venture out to other ones. But that butter yellow and that beautiful, was it coral? Oh, that beautiful peachy coral color. Oh, and the navy, of course, can be worn year-round easily. So especially with all the sporting events that we go to here and all of the teams having blue, that's gonna be a perfect event bag for me. But I do have to get ready for the game now. So if I have a little bit of time, which I'm already late, so I probably won't. But if I do take out my new bag, I'll definitely insert some pictures here. Otherwise, I'll do an updated video in a week or so after I get to have these bags in rotation and show you exactly what can fit and what my thoughts are, because these are so lovely. Thanks for sharing in my excitement as usual. I'll see you in the next video. I love you.